Are we alone? Is there life out there? What we're looking at is a mid-infrared image from the James Webb Space Telescope of a giant cloud of gas and dust where new organic molecules were discovered. Organic molecules are made of mostly carbon and hydrogen. These are the main building blocks of all of the molecules that make up the key ingredients for life, like DNA. The James Webb Space Telescope will not be detecting life itself. And that is what we are hoping to get out of the next generation telescopes and instruments. We are looking at the latest image that's been released from the James Webb Space Telescope of Uranus. In the close-up image, you can see the polar ice cap, many storms, the rings, and 9 of the 27 known moons. In the wide field image, you see even more of the moons, where we actually have now 14 of the 27 known moons imaged. Not to mention all the photobombing galaxies and other astrophysical objects in the background. We haven't been able to see the rings with this much clarity and information since the Voyager flyby in the 1980s.
This just first exposure, one filter, you can already see how spectacular it is. Saturn itself is dark, especially when you think about the images that we have from the Hubble Space Telescope. This particular wavelength is where methane gas is actually absorbing a lot of the sunlight that's falling onto the planet. And so that makes it actually appear a lot darker. But the rings are glowing. They're extremely bright. You can even identify the A ring, the B ring, so you can see where some of the gaps between the rings are. You can also identify a couple of the moons, including Enceladus and Tethys, which is really amazing.